Hey, bonsoir tout le monde, c'est Blondie Ferdinand et m'a dit tout le monde bienvenue dans show ça qui c'est vrai la vie Blondie Ferdinand côté que nous allons joindre tout petit secret, tout petit détail sur la vie. Intéressant, pas vrai? Et ta verre.
You can't just leave your marriage because your husband don't understand you. Because when you married somebody, you married for better or worse. You know what I mean? Li met tes familles, li met tes soeurs, li met tes frères. Ma dou que moun sa ka tuyo. Pour mes amis, comment petite la femme pas comprendre le moun a tué? Comment que ça quand t'es brun nous fait brun nous travail.
Florence, fix that f***ing paper. Get it fixed or I quit. I'm out of singing. You fix it or I'm out.
I need Tutu. I can't function without Tutu as far as my career.
No.
You none of your goddamn business. It's none of your goddamn business.
Big boy and me. Moun qui a fini de nommer nos petits prébétis. Sans de la caille ou la vivre. Ou toujours là. N'est-ce que c'est la première chérie? Tutu, I don't trust you for nothing. I don't trust you anymore. I don't believe in you anymore. I don't even want to be your friend right now.
You every day. You bitch. You again, bitch. I am gonna make my money right here. If you don't like it, that is your business. But me, my wish na bull figure la.